Hi everyone, let us discuss one simple but logical question where multiple concepts will be utilized. Also differentiation, maxima minima condition also we will use it. So it is related to one is motion under gravity plus horizontal projectile motion. So you cannot say like one dimension motion or two dimension motion. It is a combined motion. So here the question is a body falling from a given height h hits an inclined plane in its path at a height h. So there is an inclined surface and a body is falling from a height capital H. So from here, let's take the mass now dropping. So initial velocity 0 and hitting the inclined surface at a height h. So what height it travelled? It started here it is hitting and it travelled a height h minus h. Let's take the starting point A, ending point, hitting point B. Then the velocity became horizontal. Then it came to ground. So again what height it travelled? Small h. Now this is free fall from A to B and this is horizontal projectile motion from B to C. Now time from A to B is time taken to reach the ground when you drop a body is under root 2h by g, h minus h by g. This is time from A to B. Then time from B to C. So for horizontal projectile motion also time taken formula is same like free fall. What is the height from which it is throwing? H. So what is the time? Root 2h by g. Then they are asking for what value of h by h the body will take maximum time to reach the ground. Now the total time t, that is root 2 by g if you take common, root of h minus h plus root h, this should become maximum. How do you get maximum minima? Here variable is small h. So at what height if it hits, then it will come to ground faster. So dt by dh should become what? 0. First order differentiation should become 0. That means here root 2 by g, differentiation of root x. What is differentiation of root x? Just I will tell you here. D by dx of root x means x power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root h minus h. But here 1 minus h is there. So you have to differentiate again. So here what will come? Minus 1. And this is plus 1 by 2 root h. Now this should become 0. So equate it to 0. So if you equate it to 0, this will come at 0. And this you bring other side. So 1 by 2 root h equal to 1 by 2 under root h minus h. 2 get cancelled. Square both sides. 1 by h equal to 1 by h minus h. Cross multiply it. So h equal to h minus h. Bring this side. 2h equal to capital H. So h equal to h by 2. So what is the height ratio? H by h should be equal to 1 by 2. So this is the way you can understand the questions. But what mathematical application is important? Maxima minima differentiation. Wherever in the physics they are asking maxima minima condition, you must go for the differentiation condition that the first order differentiation should become 0 to get the function maximum or minimum. Even we discussed the same type of questions previously also. Thank you.